Hello, welcome back guys, and in this video I'll be showing you how to convert these orthographic views into an isometric drawing like this one. So I'm gonna start by drawing a line, which is this one, 70 millimeter with a 30-degree Z-square, and then I will draw this line which is 30 millimeter with going upward. And then I will draw this one with a 30-degree Z-square, which is 10 millimeter. And then I will draw this one with a moving downward with a 20 millimeter. And then I will draw this one with a 70 minus 10, which is 60 millimeter with a 30-degree Z-square. Then I join these two lines using a ruler. So now I am done with my left view. So I'm gonna move to the top view or to the front view, where I will start by drawing this line, which is 10 millimeter using a 30-degree Z-square. And then I also draw this one, which is 10 millimeter using going upward. Then I will join these two lines using a ruler. And then, as you can see, there are hidden details here which shows that this line is moving towards the inside. So I'm gonna draw a line of 30 millimeter, which is this one, with a 30-degree Z-square, using moving into this direction. Then I'm gonna add this one, which is 10 millimeter with a 30-degree Z-square. Then I will add another line of 30 millimeter with a 30-degree Z-square. Then I add another one of 10 millimeter with a 30-degree Z-square, which is this one. So I will complete this box by adding a line of 10 millimeter downward, and then add another one of 10 millimeter with a 30-degree Z-square. And then I will join these two lines using a ruler. Then I will use a 30-degree Z-square to draw a line from this point up until it intersects at this other point. Then I will also use a ruler to draw another line, which is from this point up until it intersects with this line. And then I will add another line, which is a 60 millimeter with a 30-degree Z-square. And I will join these two lines using a ruler. And then I will add another line going upward, which is 20 millimeter moving upward. Then I will add a line of 10 millimeter with a 30-degree Z-square, which is this one. Then I will also move down with 10 millimeter. Then I will add this one, which is also 10 millimeter with a 30-degree Z-square. And then also this one moving up with 10 millimeter. Then I will join these two lines using a ruler and draw a line from this point with a which will be 10 millimeter with a 30-degree Z-square. And I will join these two lines using a ruler. And then I will add another line, which is 10 millimeter with a 30-degree Z-square. And I will also add another one, which is 10 millimeter with the 30-degree Z-square moving this side. And I will join these two lines using a ruler. and I will draw a straight line from this point going downward up until it intersects with this line, and add another line with the 30 degrees square going this direction, which will intersect with this other line. Then like this, my drawing is now complete. Thank you guys. Check our next video for the next exercise tutorial. Thank you. Hello, welcome back guys. In today's video I will show you how to convert these photographic projection views into an isometric drawing like this one. So I'm gonna start with my front view with this line using a 30 degree square, which is 40 millimeter. So I will add this one going upward, which is 30 plus 20, it makes 50 with a 90 degree. And then I come to this one, which is 20, and I will use a 30 degree square. And then moving downward with this one, which is 30 millimeter, going downward. Then I will add this one, which is 20 millimeter with the 30 degree square, and then join these two lines using a ruler. So moving to the top view, I'm gonna add this line, which is 80 millimeter with a 30 degree square. And then I will add this one, which is also 20 millimeter with a 30 degree square. And then I will draw this one from this part to here, which is 20 millimeter as seen from the front, as seen from the right view, with a 30 degree square. And then moving to the inside with 10 millimeter with a 30 degree square. And then drawing this one, which is 40 millimeter, also with a 30 degree square. And then drawing this one, moving outward with a 30 degree square, which is 10 millimeter. And join these two ones using a ruler. Then I'm gonna draw this line from this part to here, which is also 80 with a 30 degree square. And I will join these two ones using a ruler. Then add this one, which is 20 millimeter with a 30 degree square. To join this part and this part, I will also join these two lines using a ruler. Then moving to the front view, to the right view, I will start drawing this line, this one, which is 20 millimeter with a 90 degree. And then I will join these two lines using a ruler. And then moving to this part, which is this one, this part from the top, I will add a line of 30 millimeter going downward, of 20 millimeter, not 30, going downward. And then I will draw another one of 10 millimeter with a 30 degree square. Then join these two lines using a ruler. And then add another one of 20 millimeter going downward. Then join these two lines using a ruler. Then using a 30 degree square, I will also join this point up to this line. And then my drawing is now complete.